This is Andrew Weitzer for sprint number 1 and game 374. And this weekend, or this week, we were supposed to do the asset manager and start on the input manager, and the backbone, the skeleton of these two managers. So basically, start out, we have the asset manager. Obviously, it's a singleton because it's only going to get called once. Same with input as well. And I have two maps, one a model map and one a texture map. And I have these functions here that texture memory, model memory, get model memory, get text from memory, or get model from memory. So these put in the whatever into the map. So if one for the textures and one for the models, and then these will get it from the map. Alright, and these are my public functions. We got add texture, add model, and get texture. Get this right here. And I'm having a weird error on these for some reason. On the singleton, it's being weird, saying that it's not all control pass return a value. Don't know why. I don't see any other situation where it wouldn't return anything. So I don't know. And then for the input manager, obviously this is getting a singleton again because it's only called once. I have a two booleans, key state and previous state. This I think will be later used for registering keys, though I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to implement that yet. And then I have check key status, and then send the status of the key itself. And I have when it's first created, both of these booleans turn to false. For right now, I just have it at one key, which is the P key, and so right away the game loop will check key status. So check key status if it's down at that time when it's called, the key state equals true, and if it's not called and key state equals true, then key state equals false. And then I wanted to send the status to whoever needs it, I guess. And basically, the two things you need to worry about are true and false. So if the key state is true and the previous state is false, then it's being pressed, and then actually this is released. And then if the key state is false and the previous state is true, then we just released. And then after this call, you want to have the previous state to the key state. That is it for sprint.